Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking things up a notch with a fresh homemade loaf of Japanese milk bread, and we're going to pair it with the most delectable homemade strawberry jam. Once you taste this jam, you'll never go back to store-bought again. To make this mouth-watering jam, we are starting by washing and hulling our strawberries. Then we'll add them to a pan with a little sugar, a splash of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. We'll bring it all to a boil and let it simmer until it thickens up to perfection. You can find all the ingredients and directions in the description below. While the jam is cooking, we are getting our jar prepped and ready to go. Sterilizing our jar is key to keeping our jam fresh and safe to eat. Once the jam is ready, we'll fill our jar up with the most beautiful ruby red jam, leaving just a bit of space at the top. Now, the moment we've been waiting for, it's time to taste test our homemade strawberry jam. It's bursting with flavor, so fresh and delicious, and the best part, you can adjust the sweetness to your liking by controlling the amount of sugar you add. Spread it on your morning toast, mix it in your yogurt, or use it as a glaze for your favorite meats. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey of homemade jam making. If you're loving this recipe, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes like this one. I can't wait to see you in the next one.
Homemade is the best.